Hello, let's talk about your money power. Okay, everyone, listen to me. We need to talk about something very important. It is called your net worth. Does that sound scary? It should not be scary at all, I promise you. Knowing your net worth is like knowing your score in a game. It tells you where you are right now with your money. It is a number that shows your financial health. Think of it like a checkup with a doctor, but for your money. It is a snapshot, a picture, of what you own and what you owe at this very moment. This is powerful information for you to have. Many people hear net worth, and they think it is only for rich people. That is not true. Not true at all. Everyone has a net worth. Yes, you do. I do. Your neighbor does. It does not matter if you have a lot of money or a little money right now. Calculating your net worth is a first step. It is a very important first step. It helps you understand your money better. It helps you make smart choices. It helps you build a strong financial future. So let's get ready to learn about this together. You are strong, you are smart, and you can do this. These are your good money things. All right, let's talk about assets. This is a word you need to know. Do not let it scare you. Assets are simply all the good money things you own. Yes, it is that easy. Assets are things that have value. They are things that you could sell for money if you needed to. Think about what you have right now that is valuable. These are your financial pluses. They are the items on your side of the money equation that add to your wealth. We all have assets, even if we do not think we do. It is important to identify them. So, what kind of things are assets? Well, cash is an asset. The money you have in your checking account is an asset. The money in your savings account is an asset too. If you own your home, your house is a big asset. If you own a car, that car is an asset. Even things like jewelry or valuable art can be assets. Anything you own that has a clear money value can be counted. These are the things that contribute positively to your financial picture. They are your building blocks for wealth. These are monies you owe. Now, let's talk about the other side of the coin. We have talked about assets, which are good things you own. Now we must talk about liabilities. This word sounds a bit serious, does it not? But do not worry, liabilities are just a fancy word for debts. They are the monies you owe to other people or to companies. It is very normal to have liabilities. Most people do. The important thing is to know what they are, and to manage them smartly. These are your financial minuses. So, what are some common liabilities? If you have a loan on your house, that is a mortgage. A mortgage is a liability. If you have a loan on your car, that car loan is a liability. Do you have credit card balances? That credit card debt is a liability. Many people have student loans to pay for their education. Student loans are also liabilities. Any money that you are legally required to pay back to someone else is a liability. It is an obligation you have. The easy peasy net worth math adding and subtracting. Okay, are you ready for the big secret? The math to calculate your net worth is super simple. I promise you, it is not complicated at all. You have learned about assets. Those are the good things you own. You have learned about liabilities. Those are the monies you owe. Now we just put them together with one simple step. It is basic arithmetic that everyone can do. You do not need to be a math genius for this. Not at all. This is accessible to everyone. Here's the magic formula. Are you listening closely? Your net worth equals your total assets minus your total liabilities. That is it. See? I told you it was easy. You take all the value of everything you own. Then you subtract all the money you owe to others. The number that is left is your net worth. It is a single number that tells you so much. It is your financial score at this point in time. It is a clear picture of where you stand financially. Section 5. Listing your good things. What counts as an asset? So we know assets are good things you own. But let's get more specific. What exactly should you put on your asset list? We want to be thorough. We want to make sure we count everything that has real value. Think broadly about what you possess. Sometimes people forget about certain items, or they might not realize something is an asset. Let's make a good, strong list. The more accurate your list, the more accurate your net worth calculation will be. This is important for getting a true picture. First, let's talk about cash and things like cash. This includes the money in your checking accounts. It includes the money in your savings accounts. If you have any certificates of deposit, list those too. Money market accounts also count here. Basically, any cash you have readily available is an asset. Then think about investments. Do you own stocks, bonds, mutual funds? Retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA are big assets for many people. List the current value of these investments. Section 6. Looking at what you owe, common liabilities. Now it is time to list your liabilities. Remember, these are the amounts of money you owe to others. It is just as important to be accurate with liabilities as it is with assets. We need the current outstanding balance for each debt. This means how much you still have left to pay. Gather your statements. Look online at your accounts. Let's make sure we get a complete picture of what you owe. This step requires honesty with yourself. It is okay. We are just gathering facts. The most common large liability for many people is a mortgage. This is the loan you took out to buy your home. You need to find the current principal balance. This is the amount you still owe on the loan, not including future interest. Your mortgage statement will show this. Next, think about car loans. If you financed your car, the remaining balance on that loan is a liability. Again, check your latest loan statement for the exact amount you still owe. Section 7. Let's do the math. An example of calculating net worth. All right, you have done the hard work. You have listed your assets. You have listed your liabilities. Now it is time for the easy part. We're going to put it all together. We will do an example so you can see exactly how it works. Imagine a person named Alex. We will look at Alex's assets and liabilities. Then we will use our simple formula: assets minus liabilities equals net worth. This will make it very clear for you. You can follow along with Alex's numbers. First, let's look at Alex's assets. Alex has $5,000 in a savings account. Alex has a car that is currently worth $10,000. Alex owns a home that is currently valued at $250,000. Alex has $50,000 in a retirement account. So to get Alex's total assets, we add these up. $5,000 plus $10,000 plus $250,000 plus $50,000. That equals $315,000. So Alex's total assets are $315,000. That is a good start. Section 8. Why knowing your net worth is super smart. So you have calculated your net worth, or you are about to. You might be thinking, okay, I have this number. Now what? Why was this so important? Well, let me tell you. Knowing your net worth is incredibly smart for so many reasons. It is not just a number. It is a powerful tool for your financial life. It gives you clarity. It gives you motivation. It helps you make better decisions. It is like having a map for your financial journey. You can see where you are. First, knowing your net worth helps you track your financial progress. You can calculate it today, then you can calculate it again in 6 months or in a year. Is it going up? That means you are building wealth. That is fantastic. Is it going down? That means you need to look at why. Maybe you took on new debt. Maybe your investments lost value. Tracking it helps you see trends. It helps you understand if your financial habits are working for you or against you. It keeps you accountable to your goals. Section 9. You can do this. Your strong financial future. Okay, everyone. We have been through a lot together today. We talked about assets, those good things you own. We talked about liabilities, the money you owe, and we learned the simple way to calculate your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. That is your number. That is your financial snapshot. I want you to feel proud of yourself for learning this. This is a huge step towards taking control of your money. It is a step towards building a secure and strong financial future for yourself and your loved ones. You are capable. Remember, your net worth is just a number. It does not define you as a person. It does not measure your value as a human being. Not at all. It is simply a tool. It is a starting point. If your net worth is positive, that is wonderful. Keep doing what you are doing to grow it. If your net worth is negative or lower than you want, do not be discouraged. Please do not feel bad. Use it as motivation. Use it as information to help you make changes. Everyone starts somewhere. The most important thing is that you now know.